Hello beautifuls, today we are here to talk about this palette, the Autumn Leaves from Simply Posh Cosmetics. My name is Cristina, I'm from Italy, I'm based in Italy, and I hope you will enjoy and be back for other videos. See you soon, bye guys. So we are here to talk about this palette. This is an indie brand, a American indie brand, the Simply Posh Cosmetics. I think I have all of their palette, almost all of their palette. I love the quality of their shadows. They have some very good matte, they have very wonderful duochrome, and here we have a full duochrome palette. This has been released this autumn, of course. I do not remember the month, maybe it was released October. I'm not sure. I got it at first release or in pre-order. I do not remember. However, it took ages, as always, to reach me out from US. So that's why we are talking about this palette only now. I think I did 4 to 5 looks this week with this palette. This is how the palette looks like. You have all the shade from autumn. You have browns, you have plum, you have blue, you have greens, you have goldy olive, but you see they have so many reflect. You have red, you have rust. This is a very beautiful look. And you have this shade. That's the shade. Oh, that's the shade I have on my eyes today. Why are you so okay? So this is one of the shades I have on my eyes. It's this one. So let's start with some swatches. I will go row by row. This is Harvest, Amber, Apple Cider, or maybe it's an Harvest. Yes, it sounds better, Harvest, and Maple. Okay, so let's start. You see, this is a duochrome actually, because you also have pinky reflects, even though they are not picking it. Okay, you see now, pink, that's bluish and green and gold, that's a rust, it's a red, very nice shade. They are very pigmented. The apple cider and maple are very pigmented. The middle row, this is a very bold row. We have Crisp, Pine, Breeze, it's the other shade I have on my eyes, and Plum. This Plum, it's a little bit crunchier. You can see maybe also, you can see some small flakes, not flakes, some grains. Okay, so here we have Crisp, Pine, Breeze, and Plum. Hello baby. Plum is very beautiful, but it has a very dark base that on the eye, on the look I did, it looked a lot of black that was not actually. So this is the shade that, even though in the pan it's so beautiful, in the swatch is so beautiful, it's the shade I loved the less in the palette. I don't know what kind of strange shadow we have on camera. Look, the blue is a very beautiful blue. Pine is a very it's a very dark green. You see, this is dark now. Come on, you can see the black base underneath, and also underneath the blue. You see, these three have are very dark actually. Even though on the eye you can see that the blue is quite stunning is not the right word, it's quite shining. Then we have last row, cinnamon. This is too beautiful. Autumn. This one is one of the shade I love the most because it's red and it's green. It's so much better. And golden and cozy. I think golden is the most common shade that you can find, and also cause it's not so particular. So I will put there here, starting from cinnamon, autumn. Look at this shade, green and red and brown, and look, oh my god, this is so beautiful on the eye. Then you have golden and cozy. These two are quite common. It's not so a particular shade, but this two here, the autumn one, I love this one. Look at the green reflect. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And then it's red and bronzy, and this pink, you see, this is so many. Look, this shade is not picking, the camera is not picking up all the reflect I can see in real. So this is how the palette, this the first 8 shades are very colorful. You can do a very bold look, but these 4 shades here, they are more neutral, but with such a stunning reflect on these two. The quality it's very good. They are not creasing, they are not going the glittery inside the shade. In Harvest I've used this 3 times, I think. They're not going under the eye, so they're staying perfectly where you put them. The shadows are very creamy. This shade here and this two and this one are very soft, so you need to be very careful. Plum is a little bit crunchy. These two and these 3 are a little bit they are not hard pan, but they are a little bit more resistant when you put, I'm not sure that's the word, the correct word, but I mean, you don't risk, you are not at risk of ruining the pan, while you have this risk for this two, this one and this one, and also a little bit of plume because of the consistency. I'm not sure this is still available, maybe yes. If you have never tried Simply Posh Cosmetics, the quality is very good. So you need to take in mind that if you are in Europe, you have to pay custom duty at the delivery. It depends on how much you spend. I paid, I do not remember, something around a bunch of euros. However, shipping is very long, and shipping fees from US are crazy now. That's the only issue I have with US now. So I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please leave me a thumbs up. I leave you to the tutorial. See you soon. Bye guys.